Hafsa, let's learn family words. Yay! I love learning. When a man and a woman get married, husband and wife, they are called spouse. Same parents, brother and sister, they are siblings. Who are mommy and daddy? Mother and father, they are parents. Baby boy or girl? Son and daughter, a child. Aunt or uncle's children? Niece and nephew.
Who gives extra love?
Godfather and godmother.
Godparents.
Families are lovely. Family means